Don Bosco Achaima salno riksawi MANDWI ni Don Bosco School kaisa panda songjak. Arao Thangwi Manjakgwi kha ATC hapangni EM borom gonang Suhel Debbarma tei borom gonang West Zonel ni Chairman Ranjit Debbarma. Pandao Thangwi chati mosongoi rikha EM Suhel Debbarma tei arao kongna rikha srwngnai tei srwngnai rokni bagoi kwbangma nangkukmani kok. Abono karigo paithago school bisingrogo berei naikha EM Suhel Debbarma.
Anniversary of Don Bosco we are celebrating. So we know say Don Bosco is not with us today, but we believe that he is in heaven interceding for us. So now we have a floral tribute. First, Sir Suhel Debbarma, the MDC of Ramchandra constituency and also executive member, Youth and Sports Affairs. Thank you, sir, for showing your respect to our founder, Saint Don Bosco. Next, Sir Ranjit Debbarma, the guest of honor for today's program, the chairman of West Tripura District Zonel, followed by Miss Parmita Wian. Next, Father Joeleka, the principal of the Don Bosco High Secondary School, MANDWI. Next, Father Hubert Tarian, the parish priest of Mary Help of Christians Parish, MANDWI. Next, Sister Victoria, the newly appointed superior of Don Bosco Auxilium Convent, MANDWI. So thank you, dear. Thank you, dear sir, for lighting the candle. Next, Sir Ranjit Debbarma will be lighting the candle. Next, Miss Parmita Wian, one of the faculty of paramedical science from Khona. Thank you, Miss, for lighting the candle. Next, Father Hubert Tarian, the parish priest of Mary Help of Christians Parish. And next, Sister Victoria, the newly appointed superior of Auxilium Convent, MANDWI. Thank you so much. Dear Sir Suhel, Sir Ranjit Debbarma, Miss Parmita Wian.
Commerce and some may interest in sports, isn't it? Yes. Okay, so first, if you want to achieve your goal, you have to listen to your parents' words. Whatever your parents says, you have to obey. Okay, and in our life, we'll get lots of friends. Okay, some friends may discourage you, some friends may encourage you, but you should not listen those who are discouraging you. Okay, you just listen yourself. Whatever your mind says, you just go on with your positive thinking and with your positive mind. So someday and somewhere you'll reach to your destination, isn't it? Yes? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Then, who all are freshers here? Freshers. Please raise your hand.
Raise your hands, freshers.
Freshers. How many freshers are here? Okay.
Many of them were absent.
Many of them were absent. We have to say, and being a student, there is always like what to say, our parents to help us and to show us right path to reach our destination and to succeed in our life. And always remember to take God's name. Okay, and never forget to thank God whatever you get, whatever you do. after getting or before getting also. Okay? Okay? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. And God is always with us, as we all know that we all are child of God, isn't it? Yes. Then, if you pray God, you will be succeed. Okay. And I will give much I won't take much time because I got another meeting. So especially again I would like to thanks our freshers for their bright future, and again I would like to thank our father Joel for giving me these beautiful moments, and thank you everyone. May God bless you all.
After this one, we couldn't operate too much, because lockdown has killed the initiative.
Progressing of subject like C, C++, Java, also the instrument like one of the wall painting with Rhinoxer. Students, hostel students.